Good morning students, welcome back to your online classes. Today we will start your third chapter, force and pressure. Okay. Already we are familiar with this word force. You know what is the force? What is the force? We know that on this earth every living objects, living things use their energy to perform any type of work, and this energy will use in the form of force to perform a work. Okay, so what is the force? We can define the force in a very simple way. What? Any push or pull, that is called force. Any push or pull, that is called force. Means when we are going to push something or when we are going to pull something, we will use our energy in the form of force. Okay, clear? Here we use the turning effect of force. What is the turning effect? We know that what is the effect of force? Effect of force means what? When we apply the force on a body, if it is in rest condition, it becomes in motion. And when we apply a force on a body, if already it is in motion, it becomes in rest. This is called the effect of force. And also some other effects of force are there. What? The force can cause the change the direction of the body as well as the position of the body. The direction of the body and position of the body. Okay, so force can causes the change in the direction of the body, position of the body, okay, and also shape of the body, okay. But here we will discuss about what is the turning effect of body. Suppose when a body is in rest condition, one end of a body is in rest condition, that is one point or one end of a body is fixed. It is called, this fixed point is called pivot. And if we apply the force on the other end, so it allows tends to body towards the direction of the force. It allows to move the body towards the direction of the force. Suppose this one end of this object is fixed, it is called pivot, and if we apply the force here, then this end of the body will start to move to the direction of the force. This is called what? Turning effect of the force. Means how a body becomes turned in that direction of the applied force. Okay, clear? One more examples. Just we can understand this topic by one more examples. Door. One end of the door. Have you seen the door now? One end of the door is fixed. Fixed point is called hinge. Okay, and other end of the door is free, where we apply the force. So when one end of the door is fixed, that is called pivot or hinge, and other end of the door is free, where you apply the force, then door will start to move forward and backward direction. Clear? So this turning effect of the door, this movement of the door by applying force is called turning effect of the force or movement. So what is the turning effect of the force? Turning effect of the force is what? It is a movement. It is a movement about a fixed point. Movement of an object about a fixed point. Here, turning effect of force is what? Turning effect of force about a fixed point is turning effect of a force about a fixed point. About a fixed point. is called what? Movement. Moment is called moment. Either you can say that moment is what? Moment is the turning effect of a force around a fixed point. It is called pivot. It is called pivot. One more examples we can take what? Spanner. When you want to open a nut. So what will you use? Spanner. So spanner, one end of the spanner just fitted with the nut and one end will use to open the nut. To open the nut. Okay. So this will turn the nut in the direction of the force. That is called the turning effect. Clear? जब भी हम स्पैनर लेते हैं और उससे किसी नट को जब ओपन करते हैं तो क्या होता है? जिस डायरेक्शन में हम स्पैनर को मूव करते हैं उसी डायरेक्शन में नट क्या होता है? ओपन होता है ना. This is called the turning effect or movement of the force. So here we conclude that turning effect depend upon two things. First, two factors. First, the force applied. कितना फोर्स अप्लाइड किया गया है, ओके, एंड किस डायरेक्शन में. एंड सेकेंड वन, द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द फिक्स पॉइंट, दैट इज द pivot. Distance between the fixed point is the pivot, and line of action of the force. Line of action of the force means what is here? Line of action where we apply the force. Suppose this is the fixed point. Okay, it is pivot, and here we apply the force. So this is the perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance between the line of action of the force and this fixed point pivot. Okay, so when we apply the force here, this point is fixed. So what will happen? This other end of this particular object will start to move in the direction of light force. Okay, clear? What is the turning effect or moment of force? Which will produce a movement in the direction of the applied force. Clear? Okay. Some more examples we can say that, or we can take for the turning effect of force. Some more examples. What? First one, when we are using a hand fodder cutting machine. Hand fodder cutting machine. Did you see this one? Hand fodder cutting machine means what? जो हम ग्रास या फर को काटने के लिए जो हाथ से चलाने वाली मशीन यूज करते हैं, इट इज कॉल्ड हैंड फॉडर कटिंग मशीन. So where we apply the force, handle is other end, and where we just insert the grass or fur, it is the center. So distance between is a particular distance between the handle and center. That is called the distance between the line of action of the force and that is the fixed point pivot. So when we apply the force to the hand fodder machine, it will easily produce a turning effect. Some more examples. Floor grinding machine. Have you seen this one? Floor grinding machine. जो पहले आती थी आटा, फ्लोर ग्राइंडिंग मीन्स आटे को पीसने वाली ना चक्की, उसको बोलते हैं फ्लोर ग्राइंडिंग मशीन. उसमें क्या होता है? जस्ट 1 इंच मीन्स एट द सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द स्टोन डिस्क. दो स्टोन की डिस्क होती है ना, 1 and 2, 1 and ओवर, इसके ऊपर एक 2 मीन्स ओवरलैपिंग होता है 1 and 2. So in the center we will just insert the amount of floors, means amount of beads, okay, and other end we will apply the force, that is the handle. At the handle we apply the force and it will start to rotate this circular stone disc around this center. Okay, so here what it will produce the turning effect of the force. इसमें क्या होता है? जो फ्लोर ग्राइंडर मशीन होती है, इसको बोलते हैं फ्लोर चक्की ना, उसमें हम जब इंसर्ट करते हैं सेंटर में क्या बीड्स के कुछ अमाउंट डालते हैं और फिर उस स्टोन को रोटेट करना से स्टार्ट करते हैं, तो फोर्स हमारा कहाँ लग रहा है? इन पॉइंट पे. कहाँ लग रहा है? वन इन पे मीन्स सर्कमफरेंस पे. हैंडल कहाँ गिवन है? सर्कमफरेंस पे. Okay, so when we start to rotate this handle, okay, it will start to convert the heat into flow by overlapping movement of two circular stone discs. Clear? One more example, when we just apply the force on the pedal of a bicycle, it will produce the motion in the wheel of the bicycle. Na? When we start or when we just apply the force on the pedal of a bicycle, it will produce the motion in the wheel of the bicycle. Clear? It means it concludes that if distance is more between the line of action of the force and the fixed point pi 1, then we will apply less force. We need to apply less force to perform the work. अगर the distance between the hinge of the door, जो दरवाजे का जो वन इंच होता है हिंग, वहां पे क्या होता है? जो हमारा दरवाजा का डोर क्या होता है? वो फिक्स होता है ना. इफ द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द हिंग्स एंड वेयर वी अप्लाई द फोर्स, लाइन ऑफ एक्शन पॉइंट, इफ इट इज मोर, मैक्सिमम होगा, देन वी विल यूज द लेस फोर्स. तो हमको कम फोर्स अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा दरवाजे को ओपन करने के लिए. ठीक है? इफ डिस्टेंस इज मैक्सिमम, वेरी लेस, नॉट मैक्सिमम, इट इज वेरी लेस. सपोज इफ वी अप्लाई द फोर्स near the hinge means fixed point pi watt of the door. So we will use our maximum force to open or close the door. Clear? Same as when we apply the force not at the pendle until we apply the force to the center of the pendle. So we will use the maximum force. We apply the maximum force to produce the motion in the bicycle. Clear? So it means the force is inversely means moment turning effect of the force. Okay, we can just express with a formula. Turning effect of the force or moment of force is the product of force and perpendicular distance between them. So here the force which we apply to perform the work to produce the turning effect is inversely proportional to the distance. F is equal to m by d. Here m is moment of force and d is perpendicular distance between the pivot, fixed point and line of action of the force. This is, suppose this point is fixed and this point is free to move. So this distance between this point to this point, this is the perpendicular distance between the line of action and the pivot. Okay, if it will be very small, then we have to apply more force. If it is very large, maximum, then we need very less force to produce the movement or moment. So here force is inversely proportional to distance and directly proportional to the turning effect. So what is the unit? You know that always we will define a unit for every physical quantities now. So what is the unit for the moment of force? For the force we can represent or we will use a unit to represent the force. What? Newton. And for the distance? Meter. So what is the unit for the moment of force? Newton meter. Clear? Some examples we can take to understand this topic very well. One more thing, here only one force applied. Na? If we apply two force and the same line of action, if we apply two force in the opposite direction, two equal forces, if we apply two equal forces, if there are two forces applying on 2 points in opposite direction in the same line of action, then these pair of forces, here force F1, here force F2, they will try to rotate this particular object in what? Clockwise direction. In clockwise direction. Okay, so these pair of forces form a couple. Okay, and the turning effect produced due to the pair of forces is called torque. We can represent this torque by abbreviated tau, and tau is again the same F into D. Applied force either 1 or 2 into distance between, perpendicular distance between the pair of forces. Clear? Okay. How we can calculate, find out the value of torque for the couple of forces, and how we can find out the value of moment of forces. Okay. So with example we can easily understand this point. Here one example is given in a book, page number 37. The hinge of a door is a distance of 40 centimeter. Means distance between the fixed point and applied force is given. Applied force is given. What? 40 centimeter. So first we convert this in MK system. So distance is given 40 centimeter. So what is the value of this in meter? 0.4 meter. 0.4 meter. And the force applied to the door is 20 Newton. Value of force is given 20 Newton. 20 Newton. So what is the magnitude of moment of force? So first we will use the formula for the magnitude of force. M is equal to F into D. 20 into 0.4. What will be the value here? 20 into 0.4 is equal to 8 Newton meter. Clear? How we will just apply this formula, this particular formula in numerical problems in this way. Clear? Okay, thank you. Next we will discuss in next class.